Welcome back to day 5 of the DataWeave 30-day series. Today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful parts of DataWeave, filtering and searching. Whether you're working with user lists, product catalogs, events, or logs, filtering determines what stays and what goes. Let's break down filter, find, every, and explore several real-world scenarios along the way. To begin, let's take a closer look at filtering with some detailed examples. Here's the dataset we'll be working with, a list of users, each with fields like active, role, age, and tags. This gives us plenty of room to explore real filtering use cases. The filter operator. As we saw in the day 4 video, filter is a powerful tool for JSON filtering. Let's view some basic examples before we deep dive into more complex structures coming with groupBy. It scans an entire array and returns only the elements that satisfy a given condition. Example 1. Active users only. If I want only the active users, I'll use the highlighted script, simple and clean. This returns all users whose active flag is set to true, and by using the not operator, we can easily retrieve the list of inactive users instead. Example 2. Multiple conditions. We can also combine conditions. This example returns only active users with the role user. Example 3. Users over a certain age, great for filtering age-based or threshold data. Example 4. Users with a specific tag. This is super useful in subscription or membership systems. Example 5. Users with no tags. A clean way to catch users missing optional information. Example 6 or condition. Use this whenever you need to match multiple categories. Example 7. Filter using index. This returns every user at an even index. Very helpful in pagination or batch processing. Find. Returns indices of an input that match a specified value. This example finds the beginning and ending indices of words that contain ER, every. Now let's look at two Boolean operators, any and every. Example 10. Any. Does any user have the verified tag? Example 11. Every. Do all users have the active flag set to true? This is an easy way to validate full datasets. Advanced examples. Example 12. Save default check. If a field might be missing, use default. Example 13. Nested filtering based on nested fields is straightforward. Example 14. Alright, let's look at one of the most powerful filtering patterns in DataWeave, grouping data and keeping only the groups where every single record meets a condition. In this example, we want to group employees by department and then keep only the departments where all employees are active. If even one employee in a department is inactive, that whole department gets removed. Let's break down exactly what's happening here. Step 1. We use groupBy to group all employees based on their department. This creates buckets like IT, HR, finance, and each bucket holds an array of employees belonging to that department. Step 2. We use filterObject, which lets us filter keyed value pairs inside an object. Here, each key is a department name and each value is the list of employees in that department. Step 3. Inside the filter object, we apply the every operator. Every returns true only if every single employee in that list meets the condition, in this case E active. So if even one employee in HR is inactive, the entire HR group gets removed. But if all employees in IT or finance are active, those groups stay. The final output contains only the departments where all members are active, a clean, reliable dataset perfect for dashboards, reporting, or business logic. Example 15. In this example, we're going to group employees by department and then filter out any department that has only one employee. Here's the scenario. We have a list of employees, each with a department field. Some departments have multiple employees, others have just one. We want to keep only the departments where the team size is greater than 1. First, we're using groupBy to organize employees based on their department. This turns our array into an object where each key is a department name and each value is a list of employees in that department. Next, we use filterObject because after grouping, we are now working with an object, not an array. Inside filterObject, the variable employees represents the list of workers in that department. Then we apply one simple condition, sizeOf employees. 1. If a department has more than one employee, it stays. If it has exactly one, it's removed from the result. So with this logic, the final output keeps only the departments with a team size greater than 1. This is super useful in real integrations where you need to filter out small or incomplete groups of data. And that's how you combine groupBy, filterObject and sizeOf to filter departments based on employee count. Super powerful for real-world integrations. And that wraps up day 6. Today you learned how to filter arrays, search for specific data, validate entire lists, and work with multiple conditions like a pro. In the next lesson, we'll continue building on this and transform even more complex structures. If you're enjoying the series, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and check the playlist for previous days. See you in day 7.